Hello guys, welcome back. In this video I will show you how to add location in Google Maps. So let's start this video. Click on Google Maps. So basically there are two options in which you can add your location. First is to add location for your private use and the second is to add location for the public use. Firstly, I will show you how to add location for your private use. So just click on the location and long press it. Now here you have to swipe on the right and click on add label. Now you can give any custom name or you have the suggestions, but I will give this custom name which will be. Now click on this building option and as you can see it is now saved as building. Now I will show you how to add location for the public use. So now just long press on the location, scroll up. Now click on this add a missing place. Here you have to give the place name. Now you can give the category. After giving all the required details, you can now click on submit and Google will review that application. After reviewing that application, you will receive an email whether your application is approved or not. I hope you like this video. If so, please consider liking this video and subscribe this channel.